What's up guys, Sandra here, and as you can see I am doing the 10 minute, 1 minute and 10-second challenge. Now, some of you may know that I've done this challenge already on my channel, and that was when my channel turned 1 year old. But I thought I was gonna try it again and see how it goes, and I'm gonna draw a wolf. So first thing is the 10 minute. That is the easiest one, I think, if you get it right in the beginning. If you get it wrong in the start, it's gonna be hard at the end too. And of course I have a timer, so I'm gonna time myself. So I'll be back after 10 minutes and I'll see you afterwards. Okay, so now finished the 10-minute version and ouch. I don't know what to say really. It's no. Wolves are really hard to draw in this ankle. I don't know why I picked this one again. I got no comments. It feels weird you have such a little space to draw in and it's really it's not pleasant. It's just tiny. But I think it turned out alright. It could have been better. A lot better. But that will do for now. So now let's start with the 1 minute one. And this one I am really scared of doing. I'm terrified. Because it went so bad with the 10-minute wolf. I'm not gonna even make it the head properly on the 1 minute one. So this will be interesting. So let's get on with it and get started. Okay, I have no idea what that is. Oh no, it's awful. I'm just gonna size it down a bit. Oh no, that's awful. That's really bad. I had to pause for a bit because I had on the wrong layer and was on the same, and I needed to crop it and it didn't work. So yeah, that's why I paused the time when I did that, because it was not fair. So 10 seconds. But seriously, that is really bad. That's 1 minute and that's really bad. I don't want to know how the 10-second one is gonna look like. I am terrified. But we're gonna do this, so I'm actually not gonna speed this up or anything. It's just, I'm just gonna let you guys hear everything on my panicking. 10 seconds. I need to think where to start first. No, I'm not gonna get a chance. I just gotta dig in. I don't get a chance. I just have to dig in. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Doom begin. Was that 10 seconds? Oh my. No. 10 seconds go by too quickly. No. Look at this. This is actually really funny. Okay, I'm actually pretty happy with the 10-minute one. I've always had trouble drawing wolves in this ankle, so I am pleased. But this looks like a walrus, the 1 minute one, it's and the second one doesn't look like anything. Alright, this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I got no words. Is this really the same person that drawn this? I am starting to wonder. But yeah, thanks for watching. It was really fun this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good guys. Bye.